second lesson named The Fortunate Peddler. Again see name one time, The Fortunate Peddler. What is the meaning of fortunate? Fortunate means good luck. Fortunate means good luck. What is the meaning of peddler? Peddler means a person who goes to one place to another place to selling things. Peddler means a person who goes to one place to another place to selling things. In this lesson, this peddler is a fortunate person. Okay. Let's now I am going to start the lesson. Hundreds of years ago, there lived a peddler in a place called North Pole in England. Okay, this peddler lived in a place called North Pole. In North Pole, this place is in England. Okay, he went from one place to another selling things. One day, the peddler told his wife, "Last night I had a dream. It is strange dream." One day, the peddler told to his wife, "I have last night a strange dream. Okay, that I have been having the strange dream for the past week. Okay, the dream happened to him before one past week. Okay, he told him about the dream to his wife. His wife asked to tell him, "Tell me what is the dream about?" Okay, the peddler told her that he had heard a voice in his dream. Every day the voice repeated, "If you go to the London Bridge and stand on the London Bridge, you will hear a good news." Okay, that voice repeated every time, "If you stand on the London Bridge, you will hear a good news." At first, the peddler did not bother to go to London. Why? Because it takes long journey to reach there. It takes so much long journey and it is so difficult. So the peddler at first did not bother to go to London. Okay? Are you understanding, children? He would have to sleep under the trees a long time. But the dream persisted. Persisted means it's continued. Persisted means it's continued. The peddler got upset. He called out to his wife, "I must go to London, stand on the bridge. Otherwise, I will have no peace." The peddler packed a few things, food, money, and some food things and some things and money. He packed and started his journey to London. Okay, he walked all the way and reached the London Bridge. The London Bridge was very busy place, and either shops and houses side the bridge. Okay, and the peddler stood on the bridge, but no one spoke to him and no one gave any good news. Okay, this all happening situation all watching one shopkeeper. Okay, he felt like a fool for having gone there. Still he waited with hope. One day he had no food or money left. He decided to go back to home. He taken some food, money or left, and he decided to go back to home. Just a shopkeeper came out and asked the peddler, "Tell me," and inquired the peddler, "Tell me, sir, why are you standing here? Okay, you not selling things, sell the things, any things you not selling here. Why are you standing so many days? I am watching you." Okay, the peddler told him about the dream. The man started laughing. "Why are you laughing? You don't believe dreams." Okay, he said, "I took having a dream. I too keep having a dream. The shopkeeper also having a dream. A voice told him, insists that must I go to place called North Pole. I must find a peddler's house there. If I dig under a oak tree in his garden, I will find treasure. The shopkeeper also having a dream. What is the dream? If you go to the Norfolk, there is a one peddler's house. If you dig under the peddler's house gardens, or under oak tree, you will find so much treasure. Okay, that is the shopkeeper's dream. Okay, it is nonsense. Even I make a long journey to the Norfolk, nothing there is any treasure. Okay, so don't believe you also. These dreams don't believe. Okay, if you go, you better to go to your home. On hearing this, the peddler hurried home to North Pole. He went to his garden. Then he began digging under the oak tree. He soon found a chest full of gold coins. Full of gold coins. Chest means one box. Gold coins box. He was no longer poor. He lived happily for the rest of his life. Okay. This is the lesson. Children, you understand what is the moral of this lesson? Be positive. Always be positive. Okay. This is the moral of the lesson. Today I am going to tell some keywords about this lesson. Fortunate. 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 Peddler. Peddlar. Peddler. Peddler. Dream. 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 Bridge. 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 Enquiry. Enquired. Enquiry. Enquired. Enquired. Shopkeeper. 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 Next, digging. 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 Oak tree. Oaktree. Oak tree. Treasure. 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 Good news. Goodnews. Good news. Garden. 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 Laughing. 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 One, see the picture. This is the peddler's bike. This is the London Bridge. Okay. This is the under oak tree. Okay. This is the chest full of gold coins. Okay. This is the story. This is the London Bridge. You know, ma, famous London Bridge rhyme also have. London Bridge is falling down. Famous rhyme that is. This is London Bridge built upon. This is the Thames River. Okay. The lesson.